everyone, it's Ken here. But here is about to become there. Because yes, I'm moving my workshop. How many times have you heard the line,
Space, the final frontier.
without realizing that Captain James T. Kirk was actually talking about your workshop? Because let's face it, none of us have enough space. I've been looking for more space for a long time, not just for my workshop, but for my living space as well. But I finally found something that I can afford and decided to take the plunge and move everything I own into a larger space. As you may have noticed in my other videos, my current workshop is squeezed into a 1.5 car garage. And over the years, and I'm talking about many, many years, I've acquired quite a few tools. And it seems that no matter how I arrange the workshop, there simply isn't enough space. And one of the biggest problems I have is that for each tool I want to use, like a buffer or a tumbler, I have to move things out of the way to make room for that tool. And in the end, I spend more time rearranging my workshop and trying to make space where there is no space. And the frustration has finally gotten to me. The new house has a full unfinished basement, which is shaped like this. And I'll be moving my workshop out of the garage where it currently exists and into the basement. This has obvious advantages, not the least of which being that I can now use the garage to park the car. The basement is below grade in this new house, and you see this opening here. That's a doorway to the outside. This is a view from the outside looking down the stairs, and you can see it's a fairly wide staircase leading to double doors. Obviously, moving the equipment down these stairs is not going to be easy, but it's certainly doable. And here's a look at that door from the inside of the basement. Naturally, being a basement, I don't really have an open space like this. For starters, there are mechanicals, as there would be in any basement, and of course they're scattered all over the place. So what I'm going to do is put up some walls like this. This way I can separate off the mechanicals in various areas and leave me with storage space for other things. This side of the basement will be where I'm going to have my workshop. Just to give you a sense of how things will be laid out, this will be where the milling machine is, and this is where the lathe will be. I'll also have my bandsaw over here and a drill press. The next thing I'll do is start to build some workbenches along some of the walls. There'll be one here, here, and here. And then I'll have some shelves in the corner here for my materials storage. And then of course there'll be tool carts in various places. And that should give you a basic idea of how the new workshop will be laid out. Obviously there's a lot more space for me to walk around and get things done. And the actual workbenches make it such that I can actually have my tools out and ready to use rather than having to put them away and take them out to make room for the other tool and, everything I go through now, which I understand is what we all go through. But this is the plan. Obviously, it's going to take quite some time to build this workshop, so my project videos will be offline for a while until we're up and running here. I do hope to film as much of the construction as I can so you can see how this all went together. If you'd like to follow along on my workshop move or any of my other projects, all you need to do is click subscribe. I will see you all soon.